Hey, we are talking about how to use a birthing ball for natural labor. I'm Annabelle, RN, BSN, birth doula, and mama, and I'm here to build your confidence in birth. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to stay up to date to my latest content because we are going to get you to the birth of your dreams. The birth ball really is used for building mom's confidence in birth. That's what research shows, is that when moms prepare for their birth by using the birth ball with all these different movements, they go into birth and they have this confidence of, I can do this. My body's ready. I know it's ready. I've been a part of this process. I didn't just sit around and do nothing, and I'm confident. And in that confidence, that will decrease your pain sensation in labor, and it will increase your satisfaction in your birth memory. And that's what we want. So you being a part of this process, starting to prepare, just makes me so excited because you are part of this journey, mama. So there's lots of videos out there that talk about birthing balls to induce labor naturally. And it's kind of a little weird thing to talk about because if your body and your baby are not ready, it doesn't matter if you bounce on a ball or if you jump to the moon, you're not going to induce labor naturally if your body and your baby are not ready. And so when we use the birth ball, what it really can do is once labor is ready to get going, it can help labor progress at a very good and just, I don't want to use the word faster, but a very good speed where you don't get setbacks. Baby is able to come down into your pelvis because you've opened your pelvis up and you are helping with gravity for baby to press on your cervix. When baby presses on your cervix, which is at the bottom of your uterus, it is able to open up, thin out, and then your baby can be born. So using the birthing ball in the labor process really can help just that process keep going. And that's what we want. But it really is helpful for decreasing your pain sensation and building your confidence, which helps with your birth memory. So grab your birth ball. If you don't have one yet, I have linked in the description below the one that I recommend. So you can grab that link and go get that birth ball. Blow it up and have it ready around your house so that you don't have to think, where's my birth ball? Oh, it's in the closet, I have to blow it up, not gonna use it. No, have it ready so that you can pull it up to the table when you eat dinner, when you're watching a movie, when you're checking your email, whatever it is, you can sit on your birth ball. Your knees should be a little bit lower than your hips, so not quite a 90-degree angle. And your spines should be straight. You're allowing a lot of room for baby inside of your pelvis to drop down and descend, which means come down into your pelvis as much as possible as you near your due date. So you're sitting here, lots of room for baby. It's pretty natural to just start bouncing. And that's the thing, I'm telling you these different movements, but you know what to do. Listen to your body. Okay, yeah, I'm bouncing, that feels pretty good. I'm helping baby come down. You're in your pregnancy, you're getting baby into a good position, you're in labor and you're really helping baby press on that cervix. Come on, let's keep those contractions going. I'm just at peace. I'm decreasing my pain sensation. Okay, I'm bouncing. Now what? Here's where we're going to add those hip circles. So big circles with your hips. We can go clockwise. You can do this for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, however long you want. And then we can go the other way. We're moving our hips and we have these ligaments in our hip bones and we're moving our pelvis a little bit so baby can maneuver down into our pelvis. And then we can add a figure 8 where we're moving our hips as we imagine the figure 8. So very comfortable. Then we can do some hip tilts. Maybe if you're having some pubic pain or back pain, so pain in the front or the back, and we need to move baby's head into a different position, we can do these pelvic tilts where we come forward and tuck our hips under and curve our back. And then we push back and arch our back a little bit. It's kind of like a cat-cow. And this can move baby's head and body into a different position. All about what feels good to you, but it's about movement and openness. So we're moving our pelvis and we're opening our pelvis, allowing room for baby. And we are a part of this process, so we feel that confidence. But you can also use your birth ball by getting off of it and using it as support during your contractions, especially if you've been laboring for many hours and you're just tired, you need to lean on something and rest. You can use your birth ball for that. So I'm gonna show you that position. So you're gonna use your birth ball for support during your contractions, during your labor process. Grab a pillow, your knees will thank you for that, and put it underneath your knees. And then you can hold on to your birth ball. I definitely recommend having your birth coach, your continuous support, whether it's a doula or your husband, behind you, giving you double hip squeeze or sacral pressure or just giving you a massage, anything that feels good to you. And you are resting over your birth ball, and you can rock back and forth, or you can arch your back or keep it in a neutral position, whatever is comfortable for you. Again, this is listening to your body and making sure that you're moving and you're allowing space and oxygen for baby. So you can stay here as long as you want through your contractions and your labor process, but I do recommend while you're in your pregnancy, start practicing this so that you kind of get a feel of what might be comfortable as your belly grows and how you can make these arrangements in your house and in the hospital room to make sure that you have everything you need at the hospital when you want to be in this position in labor. So those are my recommendations for the birth ball. Pretty simple, mama. Like, there's not just this crazy science behind listening to your body. It's truly about you knowing what feels good and trying different things so that you can be confident in your natural labor and birth. I would love to continue to show you different ways you can listen to your body and how to use different tools that we have. Check out my free workbook in the description below. I'm gonna walk you through my 4-step process to a natural birth, which I believe natural birth is just so beautiful. It's such a great journey to go on, and I wanna give you my free 4-step process. I'll see you in the next video.